Hi everyone and welcome back to another video. So if you are a student and want access to powerful AI tools without paying full price, Perplexity AI offers special students plans, discounts, and even free access options. In this guide, I will show you step by step how to get Perplexity Pro as a student effectively. So go to the students page, okay, so open Google page and write get students access to Perplexity, or go to Perplexity and click upgrade. Okay, so you can do it from here. Okay, create or log into your account. So use Google account or email. Make sure it's active. Choose the education plan, so click upgrade. Select education or students plan, then click verify as student. Okay, so verify your student status after you choose one of them, okay, or the pro, for example, school email, like or students ID documents. So verification is usually done via share ID, so it takes a few minutes, okay, and it's a required step. So get your student discount. So after verification, you unlock 50% discounts, around $10 a month instead of $20 a month. Okay, so Education Pro plan is activated now. You can also check for free offers. So sometimes you may get one free month with student email, up to 12 months via free via education programs or partnership. Okay, it depends on availability. Okay, so that's it guys for today's video. Thank you for watching and see you in the next tutorial.